It's JigSaw, bitch. Hey, just kidding, guys. It's old pal JigSaw here. Want to make a quick video, let my fans know that I'm still around. Also promote Saw 4 in theaters October 26th. Now, if you've been expecting torture, came to the right place. Today, I will be torturing myself by watching this little video called 2 Girls, 1 Cup. Now, some of you may have heard of this. It's quite a phenomenon on YouTube. And it's supposed to be very disgusting. Not for the squeamish. And your old pal JigSaw is far from squeamish. So I'm going to be checking that out today. And just get my reaction shot. So let's go to the video. Try to pull this up here. Man, that's what you get for smoking 2 packs a day. Oh, okay. After quite a few attempts, I finally found the video. So, just sit back and enjoy. Let's watch this thing. Sexy. That's kinky. I like this. Oh. Oh. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god, you gotta be shitting me. Literally. Oh, fuck me. Oh, my Lanta. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, hell to the no. Oh, no, no. No. Oh, please stop. No, no. Oh, God. Oh, I don't. Oh. Oh, fuck, it's over. Oh, my God. Oh, for the love of. That's some fucked up shit right there. Oh. Well, words can't describe it. Oh, you know, old pal JigSaw here, signing off. I gotta go take a shower. Gotta go scrub my eyeballs. Remember, Saw 4 in theaters, October 26th. You want to check out this video, I advise you not to, but if you do, just Google it. 2 Girls, 1 Cup. Best way to find it, put in the number 2 and the number 1. Don't spell it out. Number 2, girls, number 1, cup. That's how I found it. So go check it out, and I'd like to see your reactions. Your old pals JigSaw, signing out. Later, guys.